Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And we have a special announcement for you today, March 1st, 2021. It will be coming up in just a second, so stay tuned. Please hit the notification bell and also hit the like button. This helps in our ratings with the videos, and we appreciate it. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Here's an announcement for you. Grumman Pilots, our YouTube channel, now has a new email. It's grummanpilots@gmail.com. Send us suggestions, comments, or video. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all, please enjoy.
Who knows what would be left after all the shit got